We're a great big rolling railroad, won't let everybody know. We were born of gold and silver spikes 100 years ago. We're a million miles of history, just shining in the sun. We're the Union Pacific, and our story's just begun. From the Great Plains of Nebraska to the California seas, from the summits of the Rockies to the mighty Redwood Trace, we're 1,000 wheels of freight right here. The diesel engine's power. We're the Union Pacific, doing 90 miles an hour. Bound from Omaha to Portland through Cheyenne and Laramie, we're headed west for Boise on the main line to the sea. Across the flats in Salt Lake City, on to Vegas and Hawaii, we're the Union Pacific, and we got the right away. From the green fields to the prairies to the blue Pacific shore, we deliver your cargo and come rolling home war. On the back home of our nation, you can see us make the climb. We're the Union Pacific, and we're gonna be on time. Do, 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 I am doing I am doing. We're the Union Pacific. We're the Union Pacific. And we do not have the right of way over BNSF. Hot, got him.